How to fix or reset your Instagram Explorer page. Hello guys, welcome back to this new short tutorial. I'm gonna show you how to do it easily and fast. First thing, open your Instagram and go to the Explore page. Now all what you wanna do here is click on the posts that you like and leave a like on them like this. And do the same thing again and again on every post that you like. After that, you have to refresh the Explore page and do the same thing again. Just click on the posts that you like, leave a like this, and repeat this process every single minute. And then you have to go into the settings of your phone, open the apps manager. Now on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. All what you have to do here is scroll until you find Instagram and click on force stop. That's it guys, don't forget to like, subscribe.